Is Philips Smart TV Android? Yes, many Philips Smart TVs are Android-based. Philips offers a range of models that run on the Android TV operating system, providing users with a more flexible and feature-rich Smart TV experience. Android TV allows access to the Google Play Store, a wide range of apps, Google Assistant integration, and other smart features that enhance the user experience. However, Philips also uses its own proprietary operating system called Saphi in some of its models, so not all Philips Smart TVs run on Android. Android TV in Philips models. Many higher-end Philips Smart TVs run Android TV, which is known for its vast ecosystem of apps, streaming services, and Google integration. With Android TV, you get access to popular streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, and more. It also supports Google Assistant, which allows for voice control and smart home integration. Android TV is widely regarded for its user-friendly interface, and it also supports Google Cast, enabling you to stream content from your mobile device directly to the TV. Saphi operating system in some Philips models. In addition to Android TV, Philips also uses its own Saphi operating system in some of its smart TV models. Saphi is a simpler proprietary platform designed to be intuitive and easy to use. While it offers access to essential streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube, it may not have the same breadth of apps and features as Android TV. Saphi is ideal for users who want a straightforward smart TV experience without the need for extensive customization or advanced features. Smart features of Android TV in Philips. Philips Android TVs offer a variety of smart features. Google Play Store, access a wide range of apps, from streaming services to games and productivity apps. Google Assistant, use voice commands to control your TV and smart home devices. Google Cast, cast content from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop to the TV screen. Android TV interface, a simple, intuitive interface with easy access to apps, content, and settings. Comparison between Android TV and Saphi in Philips Smart TVs. In conclusion, many Philips Smart TVs run Android TV, offering a wealth of apps, features, and integration with Google services. However, some models feature Philips' own Saphi operating system, which provides a simpler smart TV experience with fewer advanced features. If you specifically want Android TV, it's essential to check the specifications of the model you're interested in to ensure it supports this platform.